Hey there, I'm Sandra Lett, and I'm the instructor for this class, 3D Resin Flower Coasters. And I have really shared some top secrets and tips and tricks to make these coasters really excellent. So I was inspired by the sunflowers because of everything going on across the world with war and so forth. But these didn't necessarily come out looking like sunflowers, but they represent the love and the peace that's in my heart, and I hope to share this tutorial with you. And here is these beautiful 3D florals. So I don't know if you can see the details. And they just have a sparkly black background. So I'm going to walk you through every step of the way. And this is going to be a class that teaches you the safety and how to learn to work with your resin and make it work for you by keeping ahead of the game with the temperature of the resin, the quality of the resin. That's always important. So there's so many great tips and tricks that I show you. I provide all the materials that you'll need in a list, and I think you'll do great creating some beautiful blooming floral coasters on your own. So have fun with this class. Please post a review when you're done, and I can't wait to see your beautiful works. Check out my profile, Sandra Lett, for the other classes I have on Creative Fabrica. Thank you.